Hello everybody. I'm going to show you how to use your personal meeting space in Zoom and set a link to this so that you don't have to send your students emails anymore or invites. To find your personal meeting ID, go to zoom.us, click sign in, choose sign in with Google, use your Brentwood School account. And this is the same way you get to your settings, but this time you're going to want to go to Profile. And this is your personal meeting ID URL. So you copy that and you're good to go. If you just paste it in a window, it's going to take me to the meeting. So at this point, I haven't started the meeting, so there won't be any meeting to go to, but I'm just getting the link. So I'm going to click cancel here. Make sure your bookmark bar is showing here by going up to view, and it should say always show bookmark bars, or always show bookmarks bar, or and always show toolbar in full screen. And then, as I showed you, I think sometime before, if you just go to the little icon here, the lock in front of the URL, you can drag this anywhere to the bookmark bar, and now you have a link directly to your meeting space. And both you and your students can, if you right-click on it, or two-finger click on it, you can go to Edit and change the name. So I recommend showing your students how to do this so that they've got one click. They've got a bookmark here to your class. So you can imagine they would have bookmarks to all of their Zoom classes right here. And then if you go to Schoology and you go to your course, there's a couple things you can do here, because I recommend you do both. In your schedule, your table schedule, or what you're doing, if you edit the page and you click where you want to do it, you go up here to link, insert link, and this was already there from a previous time, but you paste it there, and then you give it a title. So there is my Zoom meeting, and I'm going to click save. And now there is a link in Schoology to my Zoom meeting. Now another thing you can do, one more thing, if you go back to the landing page of your course, you know me, I'm always about as few clicks as possible. So if you go to Add Materials and Add File, Link, External Tool, and you click that, you click Link, and you paste your code, your URL there, and in here you can type, please join my Zoom meeting. And then here, this is kind of important. You do not want this to display in Schoology. So you click this icon here so that it says display in new window. Click add. And it always puts it down on the bottom. Move it up to the top. And if you leave that right there, always, then that's always how they get to their meeting. And so, if I click on this, well, as I did before, if I click on this, it's going to take me to my Zoom meeting. Okay, and then the students would just click on openzoom.us.app, and if you have started your meeting, which I'll show you now how to do, it would take them to that meeting. So back to Enzo. Sorry if that frightened you. So if you open up your app, all you need to do is just click New Meeting, and a new meeting will open up. And when the kids click their bookmark or your link in Schoology, it will take them to this meeting. So I hope that's helpful, and I hope everybody has a great weekend or great week, depending on when you get this. Cheers.